Alright, so the time has finally come. I got the ZX10-R pretty much done. I say pretty much because it's still not like inspected, still doesn't have a registration, title, insurance, legal BS. Who cares? I'm just kidding. I'll get it done. But in terms of physically, it's done pretty much. I just got to get the brake light figured out, but as much as I want to be that guy and be like, but before I get into it, I'm not going to do that to you guys. I already recorded shots of it outside and then I brought it back here inside. So without further ado, the moment you've been waiting for, here's what my ZX10-R now looks like.
When you rapping in the stew, it ain't no hit or miss. Make a hit and sit back, take a drink just to reminisce. Snakes be in the field, but what was that? I thought I heard a hiss. All my brodies popping pills, fuck it, I'm gon' pop a disc. Remember back in high school, Miss Johnson said I wouldn't make it. Now I'm in this mansion laughing, making 50 times your payments. Also shout out to them fake brands who said I wouldn't make it too. Now you working 9 to 5, take shit, now I'll make more than you. Elaine, I think it's funny you was laughing when they play my music. Saw you followed on the gram, got you filled up with excuses. Bought it ass bitch, where are we? Bet you going through it. Miss my expectation cause you worried about the wrong one. I ain't mean to hurt your feelings, sound like what you had just said to me. Jay, please add me back, I got something I know you'll wanna see. Babe, I was just busy when we met, but now you know I'm free. Haha, babe.
And here it is again. I brought it back inside after I recorded that because I have neighbors outside right now and I don't want them to see me with a helmet on walking around the bike and judge me. But yeah, this is it. I went with carbon fiber fairings, which I absolutely love. I think they look really good. They match the exhaust pretty nice. I really like this. Normally I don't like stuff that's a different color sticking out, but I think it looks really good. This matches it, which is nice. I went with the stock mirrors for now, at least. It's got the pizzazz tuning, a whole bunch of, I think it just looks really good, honestly. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It took me way longer than I thought. Well, okay, so technically it didn't. What I meant by that was when I first got it, I expected it to take a while. I was like, okay, this is rough. It's pretty beat up. It's going to take me a while. Actually, I can probably lift my visor. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't just do that. I'm an idiot. But, yeah, I thought there's a lot of damage to this. It's really beat up. This is going to take me a while. It doesn't even run. But I got it here, did an assessment, and I started ordering parts pretty quick. And within a week, it was back to like normal shape. Like it had the subframe back on, it had this back on, this handlebar. I replaced the levers and stuff, so like it was looking good. I was like, wow, okay, I'm actually making a lot of progress on this. So because of that, hold on. Focus. I'm trying to get it to focus on the spider here. But yeah, because of that, I expected it to not take that long. But then I had the issue with the RPMs skyrocketing every time I started it. So I had to figure that out. It ended up taking me longer than I thought. But from the time I got the bike, like, so actually buying the bike itself, the auction fees, and the amount of money I put into it so far, I'm a little over $6,000, which is a good bit. That's a good bit of money. I haven't made a penny from YouTube or Instagram or anything like that, so like it's not like I get paid for doing this. I just do it because I like it. I want to put it out there for you guys. So like $6,000 is a nice bit of money, especially when you just bought a house. But if you look at how much a 2018 ZX10-R from the dealership is, that's like 1/3 the price. So I ended up getting a good deal. I learned a lot more about bikes, and I got a lot more like mechanic experience, so you get that out of it too. I have I don't want to say like better relationship with the bike, but like a closer one, I guess. That sounds corny to me, but I don't know. I just feel closer to the bike because like I personally like fixed it, did that. Which one last time, got to shout out Rick, Steffi, anyone that helped me figure this out. I talked to a lot of people trying to bounce off ideas, brainstorm some things, get their opinion, and a lot of people helped me out. So I did all of the work myself. I did all of the actual like working on the bike, but mentally I had a lot of people help me out, try to figure things out and stuff, and I really appreciate them. But yeah, I ended up spending over $6,000, and I still have to get the enhanced inspection and the title and stuff, which is going to be a couple $100 at least. So there's that as well. So I still have some more money left into it, but I'm probably gonna have to buy another part too to get the brake light to work. But like I said, that's still a lot cheaper than you get from a dealership or used and running. There's my R6, but I'm very happy with it. I learned a lot. I also went through a lot, but it is what it is. Next project's going to be cleaning out this garage, obviously. These are all the broken parts from this bike. This is the subframe, where you can see it just snapped. Fairings, the left side, yeah, it's slightly damaged. Air box, all that stuff. So I'm gonna have to clean this garage up, but it'll look a lot nicer when it's done. The garage will. This place will look much better within a week or two. I'm gonna get this cleaned out. I'm pretty excited to do that because I kind of hate making videos in here right now because I hate messy areas, and I feel bad like when I'm showing off these bikes and then you just see a pile of trash behind it. I hate that because one, I feel like it takes away from it. Two, I feel like I'm not putting out like the best I can for you guys because I'm in a messy area, and I feel like people might also be judgmental as well. So I hate being in this messy area. I'm going to try to work on that this week. I also want to get as many motovlogs recorded as I can, but it's supposed to rain. So on rainy days, I'll work on this. But yeah, so it's got the Bazzaz tuning in it. It's got the M4 exhaust system. It's got Brembos. So it's really nice. I wrote it already. I already recorded the review video of it. I'm just now recording the reveal of it. They'll be uploaded in the correct order. You're going to get this reveal video before you see me riding around. But I have already taken this bike out and rode it and made videos on it. I had to ride it to clear the codes. And to make my reaction/review video as genuine as possible, I just recorded the first time I went riding on it. And went from there. So the codes are all cleared and stuff, which is nice. I was able to set like the power mode and everything on it, so it's not flashing anymore, which is really nice. This bike, the R6, now feels slow now that I've been on this, which I kind of hate, but at the same time I love it. I talked about it in the video I just recorded. I just got home from recording a motovlog, so I talk about it in that one. I'm not going to talk about it again here. Also, that's the tree that fell in my driveway, if you're wondering why that's there. But yeah, I'm finally done. It took me, so I got this at the very end of March. Today is July 2nd. So, March, April, May, June. Okay, so I guess it only took me 3 months, which which isn't horrible, I guess, because if you take into consideration, I was gone for a month and a half of that. So it really only took me a month and a half to fix, which I don't think is too bad. I wish I would have had it done sooner, but that's on me. I definitely kind of want to do another project bike now that this one's done. I may or may not have already bid on some and lost, but kind of want to do another one. If you guys want me to do another one, let me know. Probably shouldn't be anytime soon because I'm quickly running out of money, which sucks, but I'm not going to get into that. Anyways, maybe once I am financially able, I'll do another project bike. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, here it is. This is my ZX10R. You're probably going to see a lot more videos on this now. At least definitely once it's legal. Because right now riding it's pretty risky for several reasons. So once I get it legally documented, taken care of, all that stuff, then you'll probably see a lot more videos on this one. Some days I'll probably take out the R6 if I want to hit the back roads more, or I'm feeling a little less dangerous or whatever. But I love this bike, so you're probably going to see a lot more on it. Super fun. Sounds amazing. I really love it. I hope you guys like it as well. And one last thing, thank you everyone for watching the whole series with this, the whole rebuild. I went through a lot of different problems and emotions and stuff, but some of those are like some of my most viewed videos, which is really nice. So I wanted to give you a huge thank you to everyone for watching it. It really helped me to keep going. So I appreciate that. I appreciate when people leave a like, people that subscribe and stuff, like, and just watching alone, it really helps. It's motivation to see that progress and stuff, and see that people are actually paying attention, like they're actually interested in it. It's good to see that you guys like what I'm putting out. So thank you to everyone who watched the rebuild series of this. I really appreciate that. I hope you guys learned something too from it along with me. That's what I was trying to do. But yeah, that's all I can really think of to say. I'm really excited. I'm glad it turned out as well as it did. I think it looks absolutely amazing. And yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. But I should be out on this bike soon, again, making a video, hopefully. I just gotta get that brake light figured out, and then it'll be good for inspection and stuff and ready to go. So once that happens, I will see you on this bike again. Thank you for watching.